Guys, we got everything, so ndoi shopping. So these are all groceries. So kuna hiyo and then kuna hii. It's pretty dark. I'll show you when we get to the house. Now I'm just enjoying a sweet banana because it's been a while. Unatoka? Ulikuwa unakujaje hii place?
Kuzana kilo ule mzaa anaona idadi inapungua, so unapunguza zile zinaoza kwake. Mtu mwingine hizi kuzia kilo.
But like how wenye wanabaingi za kunini za kuuza wanabaingi how much, because kama hizo vitu walikuwa natuzia kama hizi hoho 70 even ndio the same rate buy.
Ama amebuy by the kilo.
So hata yeye amebuy somewhere. Wanaenda marikiti kosi.
Hapa tu kwa mama vile. Ndio kuna sukari. Ndio kwa nataka kuchange mind tutaenda.
Si tuende basi next time tuone kule.
Kwa kuna parking. It's okay next
day and huko. Never ever maybe they may grow up tonight like give. I wash with vinegar because vinegar kills the germs, and then bicarbonate of soda helps to like remove chemicals, pesticides, those kind of things. When storing produce, you want them to be completely dry, and that's why I use the hand towel to just wipe them down and make sure that they're dry, because when it's wet, it's gonna rot in the fridge. Okay, so make sure that they're dry, and then take your cling film, initangwa plastic saran wrap, I don't know, take your cling film and then just make sure that every part of the hoho, whatever it is that you're wrapping, is completely wrapped, and then put them in the fridge. Tomatoes can survive outside of the fridge. Just make sure the part that attaches to the stem or like the tomato tree is facing down, all right? And then don't store them in a dark place. I'm gonna store some of them in my counter, and then others I'm gonna store in the fridge for later use. I'm gonna exhaust the ones in the counter first. I finally figured out how to do this trick. So put your whole carrot submerged into water, close the lid, put it in the fridge. This will keep them fresh for weeks. Here is my kienyeji mix of vegetables, and then here is soda, and then I have this is carrots preserved in water, this is leftover rice, and then over there is carrots, and then there's some ginger over there, and then down here we have carrots over there, we have, this is just vegetables, this is netwa biriganya eggplant, and then this is courgette, and then this is dania, nimeka ndani ya maji, and then you just put it in like a flask or something, and then it actually stays for longer. And then here my crisper, it's a bit hard to remove, but I have the green hohos, the red and the yellow hohos. I have nyanyas down there and more hohos over there. So that's how I have arranged that section. I don't have eggs here, so I've just put this nyanyas because this is the ndoapi. And then just the normal things that I've placed in this side. It's just jars on jars on jars. I'm having trouble knowing where to place this. I still don't know. I'm thinking I'm gonna boil it and then put it in my freezer. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So the groceries that didn't go to the fridge, we have onions, some nyanya, tomatoes, and then one ginger that I need to use today. We have this zinitwa jematoke, but isn't too mandizi, just mandizi. So green bananas. There's this coconut, and then over here, I'm sorry it's dark, there's garlic. I've placed my warus down here under my sink. So there's waru, and then there's this big ngwashe, and I'm also thinking of placing this down here. This is a butternut. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, my loves. Napenda sana. See you in the next one.